Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 9.2 on Ubuntu 22.04. First open in your browser, then go to mysql.com. Click on downloads, scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 9.2. But if you are unable to find when you are installing, just click on this archives. There you will find all older versions. Okay. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then select the Ubuntu version. See here we have Ubuntu 22.04. Select it. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages related to Ubuntu 22.04. Okay. Instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Okay. Click on download. It is a tar file. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 495 megabytes. Wait until download completes. It contains list of the Debian packages. Wait until download completes. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 9.2 tar file. We have to untar. So use the command tar-xf. Give the MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, to autofill entire file name and hit enter. ls, extraction completed. See here we have to install these packages. Control L. Before installing them, we have to install following two dependencies. Sudo apt get install make-app. I will keep this command in the video description. ipadic -utf8 libaio -dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already installed. Okay. Control L. Now install these packages. Sudo. You must be in downloaded directory. Sudo dpkg -i star.deb. Hit enter. See, installation has been started and its version is 9.2. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL is active and running. It is enabled. Q to quit. Control N. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of root account that we have set. See, we have successfully connected. MySQL Server version 9.2. We can also get the version number by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server 9.2. Control L. Now create a database. So databases, first verify the list of the databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server 9.2 installation. So create a database by running the command create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created new database. Let us switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use. Use is the keyword. Then provide the database name. Now verify the current database name. Select database. Sorry. See, we are in the bank database. Let us create a table. See, it is empty. Create. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create a user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from mysql.user. Hit enter. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create user, create. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify same. See, we have created user David. Let us exit from this MySQL client and connect with this new user. To exit, we have to use the exit command. Hit enter. Now connect with this new user, MySQL-u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password of this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. See, we have connected with the user David. Okay. Now try to switch to a database. See, access denied for user David to the database bank because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. Okay. So to access database on its object, we must grant it privileges. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 9.2 on Ubuntu 22.04. So sudo systemctl stop MySQL, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have stopped 5 seconds ago. Also we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-root-p. Then provide the password of this account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL Server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is started 4 seconds ago. If you took it, control it. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl. Here, restart MySQL. Hit enter. It is done. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. So you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu 22.04 and dbeaver. Okay, see, I have installed dbeaver on Ubuntu 22.04. Now click on this plus button, then select the MySQL, then click on next. Here we have to provide the server name where MySQL is installed. In my case, MySQL is installed on this PC. That's why localhost. Default port for MySQL is 3306. Database name, we have the bank username root. You can provide the user that we have created also. Then provide the password. Then click on test connection. See, this is the known error. Okay. And when you click on, it will ask you to download the drivers. Then you have to download. Okay, let us fix that issue. Go to driver properties. Then allow public key retrieval. It is false. Change it to true. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected. Click on finish. Now expand this connection. Expand databases. See, here we have the databases. Expand users. See, here we have the users. So if you want to run queries against this database, right click SQL editor, then select the open SQL console. Now run the queries. Select star from customer. Then select the query and click on this execute button. So you got the output. Okay. Even you can verify the version from here also. Select version. Select the text and click on execute. So you got the version. Okay. Now go to terminal. ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed. So rm give the star.deb. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the Debian packages. But we have one more file. So remove this one also. rm give MySQL, give the tab and hit enter. ls. See, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 9.2 on Ubuntu 22.04. Then we have performed the post installation step. Then we have connected MySQL from dbeaver. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.